how to get expired domain in GoDaddy, how to buy expired domain in GoDaddy. Open your browser and search for GoDaddy auction domain and open the first link, GoDaddy auctions, and in this page you will get lots of expired domain. As you can see, to find out a perfect expired domain for buy, here click on advanced search and here select public buy now, and also you can select your domain extension and click on run search, and then here you will get bunch of different expired domains. You can scroll down to load more, and here we can see the expired domain price. It's almost high. To see domain in lower price, click on price, again click on price, and you will get here lower price. And for example, I want to buy this meteor.online expired domain, so I'm gonna clicking on buy now and click on go to cart. So that's how we can get and buy expired domain in GoDaddy. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. See you in the next video.